This 1967 Shelby Cobra is brought to you by Auto Gallery, Chicago. 1967 Shelby Cobra Replica Shell Valley, Inc. Fiberglass body built by Cobra Motorsports Inc. Builder O Choice by Shell Valley Handlaid steel reinforced body frame black powder coated body mounting kit weather stripe engine and transmission 429 Ford motor flat top pistons 289 cam comp hydraulic lifters original 429 heads 4 barrel Edelbrock carb Mallory distributor aluminum intake 350 gears with Detroit True Track nodular rear case overflow tank 550 horsepower to reel, wheel Tromec 5-speed manual transmission front suspension, new tubular upper and lower arms new spindles new rack and pinion with tie rods and bushings 11-inch 4-bolt rotors disc brake package polished Carrera aluminum coil over racing shocks with springs rear suspension polished aluminum radius arms polished Carrera aluminum coil over racing shocks with SPRNGs 4 to 9-inch rear with nodular iron case and Detroit True Track Positraction unit 11-inch 5-bolt rotors disc brake package oil cooler complete Mallory ignition. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.